Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space c : /. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c : /bcdbackup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.